Quick update here from Side Pipe Garage, home of Tres Hombres Classics and Customs, where coffee and gasoline make the world go round. Tom's keeping going on the 79 Super Beetle, getting it cleaned up for a quick flip. Doing an oil change on Freedom 51 today. We got the GM Performance Stock 350. Put it in last summer, I guess. So doing the first oil change on it. We've got the Napa Gold. Date, miles, oil's changed. And this is what my grandfather taught me to do right here. We take Marvel Mystery Oil, fill our oil filter up halfway, then we top it off with Lucas TB Zinc Plus. It's made for solid tappet camshafts and lifters. Then I put the rest in the oil. It's going to be happy, 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 happy. And recently we put the 570 Street Avenger on. The Holly Street Avenger. I don't know if we can see it from down here. But changing it over from the 750 to the 570 has made a world of difference. The truck responds way better. We were overfueled prior. We've got the carburetor dialed in, and it's running way better. Shifts better, responds better, doesn't stumble anymore. And I'm real happy I did it. I'm getting about 4 more miles to the gallon on a good day too. So I'm up around 15, even 16, depending on driving conditions, from 10 or 11. So happy I did it. Tres Hombres Classics and Customs. Coffee and gasoline make the world go round. Side pipe here. Ta-ta for now.